SNAP is the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and we offer SNAP at the market so that all citizens in Fairfax County can have access to fresh local produce at an affordable price. Customers that want to use their SNAP benefits at the market simply bring their SNAP EBT card over to the booth, they swipe it, they ask for however much they'd like to be charged to their card, and then up to $20 we match with our own grant funds so that they're able to purchase additional produce. So we give them market tokens, they go around the market, they shop with it just like it's cash. As soon as something's picked, its nutrition begins to deplete. So the fresher it is, the more nutrition it has in it. So these farmers, they pick everything the night before and bring it to market the next day, and it just doesn't get any fresher than that. For more information about the farmers markets and the SNAP program, visit our website.